Sarah is attempting
throwing out the ice cream. Bum, bum, bum.
an official Olympic event. Ramen is attempting to throw the freeze-dried ice cream sandwich all the way to Sarah.
A whole 5.
Ready?
Here we go, without it landing in the dirt.
I think I should stand up. Okay, ready?
Here we go.
More like 10. 8 feet.
9, 8, 7,
6.
6,
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes!
She won! And she stinks the landing!
Yes! I get to eat my...
Sheep Hamp. Sheep Hamp. Aw. That's funny. That's
Robin, that's
funny.
Robin.
Love you.
Mom.